What up, people? It's Yellow here. What's good? What's happening? What's going on? Hey, yo, today we're going to get into some hip hop. We're going to get into somewhat of a newer artist. Y'all may have heard of him. My man name is Key Glock, down with PRE, Paper Route Entertainment, and my man Young Dolph, rest in peace. But they cousins, if my memory serves me correctly, and Young Dolph bought him in the game, and he been doing this damn thing. I know he wanted to give it up not so long ago, but he keeping the legacy alive and keeping Paper Route going. So love to see that, baby. Don't let the negativity stop you. But we're gonna get into this video. So y'all sit back, relax, and let's go.
There, please.
Take heat, fuck these niggas up. Yeah.
It has been a pleasure.
Please, yeah, bitch, I'm in my bag, bag, bitch, I just made a bag, bag, bitch, I just made a bag, bag, a big bag, nigga, I got a real addiction for this cash, nigga, I got a real ambition for this cash, 13 years old with a shoebox stash, I'm always up to something, never sitting on my ass, nigga, this giz I got my skinny sagging. Nigga, I told that Gizak with a passion. Nigga, I told that Gizak with a passion. And I talk a whole lot of shit cause I can bag it. Yes, up there. Bitch, my heart cold. My last name Moncler. My pockets fat swole. No, I don't eat pearls. Ain't trapping, ain't dead. These niggas just queer. I'm sipping color purple syrup. Ballin' hard just like the beard. Yeah, and Larry Bird, I'm shooting shit, I know you heard. 10 toes never in no herd. Nigga, I call shots, you heard. Money talking, what's the word? What's up? Hey, I pray but don't go to church. Don't ask me to spit a verse. Can't trust no hoe, this devil word. Yeah, I know the devil work. And I know that nobody's perfect. Still can't trust a bitch for certain. For real though. Yeah, bitch, I'm in my bag, bag, bitch, I just made a bag, bag, bitch, I just made a bag.
Alright, I wanted to stop it right there. Got the bank heist theme. Reminds you of a couple of good movies. Denzel Washington one. Can't think of the name of it right now. I'm tripping. Forgive me today, but again, Key Glock. Man, my man he kind of remind me of PNB Rock, and God rest his soul. We just lost him a minute ago, about a week or two ago. So I hope the young fella make it, man. I know he come from Memphis, I believe, and I know PNB Rock was from Philly. But man, I just music is entertainment, except for y'all dumb motherfuckers that's videoing what you're really doing, man. You gotta know better than that. But anyway, that's a whole other story. But yeah, my man look like PNB Rock right there. So woo, that's crazy. But this is Key Glock. I like the theme to the music. Again, it is entertainment. We watch movies all the time, but you gotta enjoy it and leave it there. But like I said, I always hate to see these young Thundercats killing each other. But he doing this thing, man. I hope his legacy grows and goes on forever and keep Young Dolph alive and well, baby. So, but yeah, I like the theme. They coming up doing their thing. So let's get back to it.
Bag, bag, a big bag. Yeah, nigga, I got a real real addiction for this cash. I got a real ambition for this cash. 13 years old with a shoebox stash. I'm always up to something, never sitting on my ass. Yeah, nigga, I got a real addiction for this cash. I got a real ambition for this cash. 13 years old with a shoebox stash. I'm always up to something, never sitting on my ass. Nigga. Yeah.
Okay, again, that's Key Glock, Ambitions for Cash. Nice little, like I said, bank robbery thing. They was riding in the drop top, looking crazy. Excuse me, y'all, excuse me. But yeah, I like that joint right there. Got a little, it definitely reminds you of, Young Dolph. And, like I said, I hope the boy do his thing for years to come and, transition your life, man. Get the money, take care of your family, and y'all haters out there, cut that shit out. It don't make no damn sense, man. We all here trying to feed our families and you know, get away up out the hood or whatever. But y'all take it easy on each other, man. But I hope y'all enjoyed that. Key Glock, PRE Entertainment, Young Dolph. We hope you rest in peace. Since I mentioned it, PNB Rock. We hope you rest in peace. Too many brothers is dying, man. Yeah, this is Yella. This is Organically Speaking with Yella. Holla on the next one. Holla, holla. Peace.